celebrating, and what we want to pray for is peace. Peace, global peace, because without peace there will be no development. I particularly, to achieve this, I am saying we should embrace values for global peace. If we reorientate our values, put our values on the agenda, and use it to shape our policies, we will achieve development faster, and it will go around the whole world, because values is appreciated everywhere. So for me, it is, we emerge today to emphasize that the world should embrace positive values in all its ramifications.
Drummers, get inside.
All the drummers, please come to the center of the circle.
Go inside, drummers. All the drummers.
Let them come out. I have no idea what they will.
I'd like everybody to know that some of our drummers will be with us
Today?
I was here to march for violence against women, to stop violence against women, because even in the United States, you know, there's a lot of violence, and many women are killed by their husbands and partners, and it's the same in Africa, and you have violence from the press, you have violence all over, you know, like pedophiles who try to get younger girls or younger boys. So I stand to combat everything that concerns violence against women. So that's why I'm here today, to march, to say no to violence. Because in Nzanza International, that is our key word. We do advocacy to stop violence against women.
talking about violence, Adama.
Yes.
Hey, talking about violence, I know that FAS is working with women in East DRC to empower them and also fight against sexual violence. What do you have to say about that?
That is true. But the main reason why we are here today is, I am here today, is for women, peace and security. Not so much focus it on sexual violence, because when we discuss sexual violence in the DRC, in Africa, it's true, it is happening, but we also want to put the focus on the empowerment of women. It's not only sexual violences that are happening in Africa. So today we want women to be part of the peace processes. We want them to sit at the negotiation table. We want them to hold decision-making level positions, so they could also influence the process, the peace process in Africa. So that is the reason why we are here today. But also here for those women who are really not victims of the war only. They are active agents of change of our community in Africa, and we need them to be here. They cannot make it.
It reminds me of what we have been able to achieve, but also the long journey ahead of us. Thank you very much. And it gives me the energy to continue.
Thank you. I need your names. I have yours. You gave me your card, right? You have a card?
You have mine.
Okay.
To meet the women from India, from Africa, different countries in Africa, yes, from Somalia, from Nigeria, from Iraq, Tanzania, from Iraq, Ambassador of Goodwill in Ireland. We are here to Africa, and we are Ambassador of Goodwill. I'm so happy to be here. Stop slavery. Yes, stop slavery. The organization from everywhere. Sol Optimist, Afua, International University Women. We are here. So I will come and show you all the women. Here we can stop the violence from women. Girls must stop the so-called and the displaced women in this country at the middle passage of the transatlantic ocean of the slave trade. And if on the it's okay, I got it on this. I will forward it. The African okay. Then we deal with other ways of stopping the violence of all forms against women. Stop slavery on the mother. Slavery is wasting the United States of America. There's 55 million of us out there. And then, not only that, at the United Nations, a resolution has been passed that we are building a monument to our ancestors of the slave charters at the United Nations. And we are calling for reparations. We are calling for reparations. Stop the slavery and the racism. I'm Queen Mother, Dr. Deloise Blakely. I'm the community mayor of Harlem, and I am the ambassador of goodwill to Africa. Stop slavery on women. Violence against women. All form of violence. All violence. Stop violence against women. 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 And if you stop the slavery